This is the world's most advanced gemstone factory, where nature's rarest colors are shaped by machines worth millions. These gemstones become symbols of beauty, fortune, and prestige.
Ensure that's secure before transport. Understood. Do you have the manifest ready for sign-off?
Every stone must be verified before entering production. No mistake.
Fake stones fail magnetic response instantly.
The lattice structure is confirmed. See the sharp diffraction pattern at 2.2.
Yes, consistent with the perfect.
Now, we go even deeper inside the world's most exclusive Gemstone Laboratory.
Start copper spectroscopy. Good, readings are stable.
Paraiba tourmaline, the world and rarest neon blue gem.
Shift confirmed, exactly 560 nm transition. Alexandrite, a color-changing wonder.
Angle 30 degrees, now 45, right now. Perfect fire response.
Run spectral analysis? Yes, authentic blend.
Hardness matches profile. Density check complete.
Refractive index verified. Proceed to labeling.
Clear birefringence lines confirm it.
Fluorescence minimal creed, expected for this grade.
One of the most valuable diamonds ever discovered.
Switch off UV. Glow persists, verified. All specimens logged for high security transfer.
Some gemstones grow larger than your hand, Phrasis. Natural giants formed deep within the earth.
Stabilize the base. CT scan in 3, 2, 1.
Internal cavity consistent with basalt formation.
Absorption band at 450 ennems confirmed.
Wavelength stability is perfect.
Color flash at 30 and 45 degrees confirmed.
No inclusions larger than micro level.
Color boundaries clearly visible.
Sequence alignment complete.
Humidity stable at 48%.
Blue sapphires from Air, kings of the gemstone world. Their origins and colors define their legacy.
Silk inclusions authentic.
Uniform saturation confirmed.
Zoning scan looks excellent. Lord Kent.
Spectrum separation is clear. Geological match 87%.
Color determines value. A tine shift in hue can multiply worth.
Absorption peak confirms new grade.
This pattern is classic Colombian formation.
Copper trace confirmed.
Index matches the favorite range.
Diffraction pattern stable.
UV absorption is textbook perfect. Heat treatment signature detected.
Yeah. Angle alignment correct.
All wavelengths recorded.
Heating curve stable.
Modern gem labs use forensic science to authenticate each stone. Modern gem labs use forensic science to authenticate each stone.
Raman profile confirmed.
Depth mapping complete.
Bands visible, record this. Pre-post spectrum matches expected.
Engraving complete. Verify under macro.
Reading 1.76 matches profile. Intensity curve stable.
Probability 92%, Sri Lanka.
Perfect cut performance.
Vault stable. No fluctuations.
In the final chamber, every gemstone's life story is preserved forever.